Hey folks, we're gonna do a taste test of the meat chips that I made a couple of weeks ago. I got so sick of this whole meat chip thing that I just made them and vacuum sealed them and put them in the fridge. Now, here's the thing. I'm not even hungry, but I try to post videos every Friday and I don't have anything for tomorrow's video and it's Thursday evening. So I thought I would take a little bit of this, I don't know how to say it, Boursin cheese. A touch. I heard it's amazing. And then I thought I would try the chips. Okay, so sound check. I don't know. Here's the thing, I made these a few weeks ago. They look fine, they're dry. I have a desiccant packet in there. I don't know that they are salty enough. Well, let's just try it. Okay. Oh, they're crunchy. They're not crunchy like a chip. More crunchy like a cracker. You know, a chip has a really crisp, sharp crunch to it. This is more crackerish, which I'm okay with. Well, not bad. They do need more salt though. I was real, I didn't put a ton of salt on them. And I think the salt that I did put on because of the fan in the dehydrator, I think it kind of blew it off. We'll just crack a little on there. I'm gonna take a little dip. Pretty good. Now, will these replace chips for me? No, but I think they would be great if you're having like a little party, a little charcuterie board. I think this would be really nice to have on a charcuterie. Wow. I think it would be really nice to have on a charcuterie board. That's good. It's super rich and that's going to be super filling. So while I am not hungry as it is right now and I wanted to try this, I'm only going to eat this little bit because I'm going out to dinner and I don't want to wreck my appetite. This is good. This is good and satisfying. Okay, so these are the, well, let's load up our mouth and then start to talk. That's my MO. These are the New York strip, super thin cuts from Costco. I got like a 3-ish pound pack for 35 bucks. And I was really concerned that they weren't going to turn out right, but they turn out good. I'm definitely down with that. So I'll do these again, although, what is this? About some little hard shit. There it is. All right, I need one little piece. Okay. One little piece, put a little extra salt on it, and then calling it good. And then I gotta go out to eat, edit this video after a couple cocktails, and then get that uploaded. I'm really feeling this crunch. I found what is the best is just meat and salt. No lunch meat. I'm not gonna, this is more like a meat cracker. It's good. This Boursin cheese stuff, I'm gonna have to try the other flavors. I forgot to tell you. Okay, I tried zucchini chips. So I tried to make zucchini chips in the dehydrator. And number one, they suck. And number two, they're sticking to my tray. Like they don't just pop off. You have to like pick and break them off. I did not film it because I didn't feel like it. But they were nasty. I did not like them at all. Here's the thing. When you dehydrate something, the flavor intensifies. I don't want an intensely zucchini flavored chip. Nope, sure don't. So That's off the table. I even did some of the zucchini chips with some salt and vinegar on it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. It was a big hell no for me on the zucchini chips. I thought it was gonna be good. I thought it was gonna be mild. Nope. Those are really good. I actually like this even more than bacon. What? All right, kids, I'm gonna finish this up. Let food be thy medicine, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Thank God that worked out.